Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in our last video we created this chair. So let's move on with our series, and today in this video we are going to create this wooden pallet. So this is going to be another very simple and basic modeling tutorial. Let's create this pallet, and we are also going to use this pallet in our next video. So make sure you complete it before watching the next tutorial. Let's hide this chair and start with our blocking. So as you can see, all the components of this wooden pallet are boxes. So let's start with the box. So you can open this parameter box by pressing T or Y. Now decrease the height. Keep it 0.15 and increase the width. Keep it 10. And as you can see, these corners are beveled. So that's what we are going to do. We are going to go in the edge mode and select these two edges. Then press shift right click and bevel. Decrease the fraction to 0.125. Now let's connect these vertices. So go to vertex mode, select this one and this one. So after selecting these two vertices, press shift right click and connect them by selecting this connect component. Repeat the same thing down here. Now put this one on the side here like this, and let's create these wood blocks. So take a cube and go to top view, bring this here and on this side. Now press T and change these parameters. Let's keep it 0.7 and 0.9. Go to front view, pull this down. Maybe let's keep it 1 and these two 0.8. Now select it and create a duplicate. Place this one on this side. Go to top view and make sure it's aligned. Place this one here. And we need to add one here in the middle. So create another duplicate and place this one here. Now select this and create a duplicate. Rotate it and pull this down and place it under these blocks. Now select all of it and create a duplicate. Rotate it. Place this one here. Now select these three cubes. Create a duplicate again and bring these in the middle of the grid. So go to top view and put them here like this. Now we need another cube. So take another cube and bring this down. In the right view, bring this down and decrease the height. Keep it 0.15. Put this one under this block and increase its depth a little bit and increase the width, keep it 10, create another duplicate, and in the right view put this one on the top. Now we just need to create the side supports and all these planks. So select this one and create another duplicate, rotate it like this, place this one here, go to top view, and in the wireframe mode place this one on this block and then scale it like this. Go to perspective mode and scale it again in the z-axis. Now go to top view and wireframe mode, then vertex mode, select these vertices and pull them like this. Do the same on this side, select these vertices and pull them here like this. Now select these three and pull them up. Go to right view and place them on this block like this. Now select this and create a duplicate, place it on these blocks in the middle and press Shift D to duplicate with transformation and place this one here, maybe a little bit in like this. So we are almost done. We just need to create few more planks to place them here. Now select it again and duplicate it, then place it here and scale it down like this. Go to right view and place it here like this. Go to perspective mode, maybe a little to this side. Now let's create a duplicate, press Shift D, place this one here at a distance and then keep pressing Shift D to duplicate with transformation like this. Now we can select these two extra planks and delete them. Maybe select these three and move them a little to this side. Now select these and duplicate, place them here like this. So our wooden pallet is done. Now this is a simple block out without any details. What we can do is we can select all these and combine. Then we can select all these blocks and also combine them. Then select all these planks and also combine. Now take this one and isolate. Now go to edge mode, select all these edges and deselect this one on all 4 planks. Then bevel and add one segment and decrease the fraction to 0.1. Bring back your model and let's repeat the same thing for these cubes. Select everything and bevel. Increase one segment, decrease the fraction to 0.05 or maybe 0.025. Now let's select these and isolate. Go to edge mode, select everything, then bevel. Increase one segment, decrease the fraction to 0.1. And now you can see we have a little bit smooth corners here. and that's how you can model this wooden pallet. So we are going to use this pallet in our next video, and in our next video we are going to create some barrels and put all those barrels on this pallet. So make sure you model it before you move on to next tutorial. And if you liked this video, then subscribe to the channel. We are so close to completing 5,000 subscribers on this channel, and for more information and discussion you can also join my Discord server. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.